Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing. I'll show you guys what the box looks like this month. Thicker, ooh, have my address for a second. It looks a little bit thicker than what I'm used to. Like just, you know, like from anyways, this is what the box looks like. It is a little bit bigger, like I said, and I'm kind of excited because right now, I don't know if it's like limited time offer or what, but right now if you subscribe to this box, you get a free item from pharmacy, which I think is super cool, and it's like a $28 value or something. So you get everything in the box plus something if you subscribe. Like I said, I don't know if that's time sensitive or not, but I know that I definitely got it because I resubscribed this month. So yeah, this is April's Boxycharm. By the time you guys are seeing this, it'll probably be around like the 28th or the 29th. So unfortunately, you won't be able to get this one probably, but you will be able to get next month's. And maybe this will help you get like a nice idea of what kind of products you'll be getting in the box. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is already, it's basically a subscription box where you get a bunch of makeup, tools, you get what else, skincare, anything like that. Sometimes you get hair products. So yeah, it's just like a really nice beauty box that I really love. I just unsubscribed a while ago just because I wasn't finding a lot of use for a lot of the stuff, but someone told me I should resubscribe and I thought it'd be cool for YouTube, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Oh, and just so you guys, sorry guys. And just so you guys know, I know I didn't say it yet, but this box I think is about like $26, $27, and you get 5 products every single month. So yeah. All right, the first thing that it says that we're going to get is the NATASHA DENONA AYANA eyeshadow palette. Now, when I saw this, I was like looking confused. I already opened everything, so it's not too much of a hassle to get to everything. But yeah, when I first saw this, guys, I was super confused because I was like, NATASHA DENONA, this is a $48 eyeshadow palette. It's in the style AYANA, and guys, 5 shades, and this is actually $48. I just feel like that's almost like $10 per shade. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, I feel bougie even holding it, honestly. I'll do a couple swatches for you guys. I'm gonna do like one of the shimmers and one of the mattes. They feel super creamy. Oof, okay. Okay, Boxycharm. So here's one and here is 2. They both feel super creamy. That shade right there, like that greenish shade, is beautiful. I can't wait to use it. The only thing about this that I wasn't like too excited about is that it's not super vibrant colors, but neutrals are always awesome. There's always a time and place for them. So, and that shimmer shade looks unreal. So yeah, guys, I don't know about $48 for 5, but hey, I mean, this is the point about Boxycharm, is like, if you can't afford certain things, you know what I mean, this is literally way over the box. So maybe Boxycharm would be cool for you for that reason. The next product I want to talk to you guys about is this Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminance AMPOULE. I think I said that last word right. If not, correct me. But this is a serum, guys. I've already opened it. This is a serum, and I'm gonna read to you guys what the claims are on this. It's $32, by the way. So we're already at like about like $80 for the whole box, which is great. So this is the Earth Harbor Naturals Aurora Superfood Luminance AMPOULE, which I just read. It says it's gonna give your face illuminating superfood nutrition with harmonizing sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp oil, and it's gonna it also has grapeseed oil and neem seed extract, whatever that is. Sounds good. And then it says it's gonna energize and soothe while revealing dewy luminance. So yeah, I'm gonna open this. Ooh, did I just spill some? No way. I don't think I had the thing like securely closed, so some of it just spilled. But this is what it looks like. This is so, like, just the cursive writing, it's just such a vibe. I love the aesthetic of this. I am super excited to try this because I'm into anything super moisturizing, super dewy. I'm really, 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 really excited. You know, they said it had hemp seed oil in this. It smells really good. I've already smelled it, but I'm gonna smell it again. It smells super good. I'm just really excited to use this. And yeah, like I think I said, it's like $32, which is a little bit pricey too. So I am happy that I get to try it out. And I've never tried this brand before. Have you guys? What is it again? It is the Earth Harbor Naturals. I've never tried anything from this brand, so I'm really excited to try this. I love serums. The next item in the box is the Beauty Diva London Diva Eye Brush Set, and this is $48. There's 4 brushes in here. This is what the packaging looks like. There's 4 brushes in here, which are meant for your eyes and eyeliner. And they look like this. Sorry, for your eyeshadow and eyeliner. They look like this. I've felt them already. They do feel really soft, guys, but 4 for $48. Whoa. I feel like this is just like, I feel like expensive just even holding these. I really like the bright neon orange vibe. I'm super excited to try these just because, like I said, $48. They feel like super duper soft though. Like they do feel like the brushes on them are luxury. So I'm kind of excited to try, and I'll kind of have to keep you guys updated with that just because like obviously like I can't really tell you about them yet until I try them out. But yeah, that's like a super nice little added in item. And if you guys are interested in brush sets, I think this is like my 3rd brush set that I've gotten with them. Okay, so the 4th item is the Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner in the shade Crush. That's the shade that I got. Sometimes they send you like different shades. They have like quizzes you can take online to trying to like get like a good idea of what your, you know, favorite shades are and what your vibes are when it comes to makeup. This is a really beautiful shade, guys. Super up my alley. I did take the test, and I feel like there's another shade she has called like brown sugar or something like that I also would love to try. It's like a more brown shade. This is giving me like My Lips But Better vibes. I really, 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 really love this lip liner. And I knew as soon as I saw like the color on the outside that I would like it. So yeah, this is like $18, guys, which $20 for a lip liner is not cheap by any means. I don't think it is anyway. So I don't know, I would have to try this out a little bit more too. But as far as the shade goes, I really, really love it. I feel like it's going to complement a bunch of my eye looks, and it definitely does seem to be really good quality for whatever that's worth. So the last item is the Kinder Beauty Kinder Glow highlighting palette, and this is $15, guys. So it's like the most affordable thing that we got. Open it up. The outside packaging of this highlighter palette is really, really beautiful. The pink and gold honestly just inspires me to go do a makeup look with pink and gold. I think it's super, super pretty, super girly. These are the shades. As you guys can see, I for sure did swatch them. I will swatch them on my hand again for you guys though, just because they're pretty good quality. They feel kind of dry, but I feel like a lot of highlighters do. So this is what they look like. As you guys can see, super duper blinding for $15. And I'm super excited to be able to test these out. If I'm being honest, I don't really get like a lot of use out of little palettes like this, but I feel like honestly, you know what I mean, it is really cute, and maybe I will, like, because the quality of this looks really nice. And for $15, I don't know, getting products that are actually good for not a lot of money kind of, if like when I get Boxycharm, I mean, kind of makes me think like, okay, well, I don't really like this product that much, like I don't get a lot of use out of it, but I did like the quality, so maybe like I'll try something else, you know what I mean? Ew. Guys, I cannot believe, I don't know if like maybe you guys will hear that, maybe I'll like keep in the part of me talking to my mom, but I don't know if maybe you guys saw the whole thing, but this little bug just went into my mouth while I was talking. Oh, I just like rinsed my mouth, but like, ugh, oh my goodness, guys, this can't even talk right. This bug really just made its way into my mouth, and I'm gonna just move on, but I can't believe what just happened. I feel so violated. But the bug lived, for whatever that's worth. Like, I went like that and then it flew away. So yeah, I'm gonna be a little bit stunned by that for a while. But anyway, going back to the highlighter, I think I was just saying that the highlighter palette is really pretty. I just have to try it on my skin, because a lot of times when you swatch anything, it's not like a 100% deal breaker that it's going to be good or not. So it is a nice indicator, but is not like the determining factor to let you know if something is going to work good or not just by swatching it. So, and I feel like today with like makeup and everything, people have kind of like came to that conclusion on their own, which is really good. So anyway, yeah, we're going to talk about, wait, that was it, right? Yeah, I think that was the fifth and final product. Now we do have that one thing that I was telling you guys about earlier. I'll pick it up. Now, after watching this video, maybe like one or two of you, or maybe more, I don't know. That's your business. But maybe like a couple of you guys were wondering what you would get if you did end up signing up today. You get this little, it's not really that little, like you get this toner right here, and it is a deep sweep. Let me read it. It is the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner with Moringa and Papaya. And I don't know, I think that sounds really good to me. It probably sounds good to you too. The packaging on this, the frosted matte, they know what they're doing. Like, they're really trying to get you to subscribe to their subscription box. But yeah, I don't know, this is really, really cute. And so we've gotten like two skincare items. Again, this isn't part of this month's box. This is just like an additional item that right now, if you sign up and you subscribe and do the $27, you will get this, and you will also get the box for next month. You know what I mean? Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to add up everything in this box, and we are going to see how much money everything in here is worth. So we had 48, I know that's the first one, 32, 48, dang, 18, and 15. So the whole box in total is $161. So if we wanted to subtract that by the $26, $135 worth of product. If you're not counting how much that you already spent with the $26, you're getting $135 worth of product off of just spending that 27 or 26. So I think that that's a really good deal. In my opinion, I think that this box actually made me really happy, because genuinely I've been, well, I know I said that I hadn't got a box in a while, but I think this is honestly like one of my favorite boxes that I've received. I don't know, I feel like I've gotten boxes that have been like $160 worth before, but I feel like that usually when I do get those, I'm not too fond of all the products that I get. My personal favorite product out of this whole box would probably be the skincare. Honestly, I really, really love skincare. I'm really excited to try that toner that you get for signing up, and I'm really excited to try that that serum that we got too. Also really excited about the NATASHA DENONA palette. I think those three things were like my most, well, actually I don't know, because I really love the lip liner too. So it's like, dang. And the highlighter palette is the only thing for me that I'm not like 100%. The highlighter and then the brushes are the only thing that I'm not like like tripping about too much, but I still think that it was like a nice little thing to add in, and I know I will get use out of both. So yeah, I don't know, just I hope that this kind of helped if you really were just interested in knowing what you would get this month and what you might get in the future. Not exactly what you would get, but just like a good idea of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much, and I will have a video up soon, another one after this one. Bye.